We followed INEC back to back from the beginning of the election to the end.
Back to back.
We are going to follow them until this court case comes to a conclusion.
Yes,
we will do so peacefully.
Yes.
Anybody causing trouble in Nigeria is not part of this team.
Yes.
Nigeria is our property.
Yes.
There is nobody who is more Nigerian than a Nigerian. We are Nigerians. We voted and our vote must count. We voted and our vote must count. We are here to pay solidarity to a man who won election.
Yes, sir.
Not be so.
Not so.
Not be so.
Not so.
We have done it peacefully. Not be so.
Not so.
The Constitution of Nigeria, by the Electoral Act 2022 as amended,
Yes, sir.
said
Yes, sir.
you must be president of Nigeria with 25% of votes in 23 states and where?
FCT.
And where?
FCT.
3% for my leader.
Bosa. Bosa. Bosa.
I want to ask you a question.
We are not playing.
I want to ask you a question. Did Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC, did he make 25% in Abuja?
No!
Did the APC make 25% in Abuja?
No!
Why did the INEC chairman declare an illegitimate?
He collected bribe. Corruption.
No! Unagree? No! If you know you love Ahmed Bola Tinubu as your president, if you want Ahmed Bola Tinubu as your president, let me say aye. Hold on. If you know, and you know, if you know, and you know, and you know, and you know, that Ahmed Bola Tinubu is president select of INEC. Say aye.